He almost falls. But he did it. Woo! Oh, and we get some push-ups. Overachiever. Overachiever. What? Oh, you think he's strong? Woo!
And there go our support. That was a long ass run. Woo!
So how do you think your race went?
I could say it's challenging and it's a lot further than it actually looks. But it was a good hard workout.
Did you see the dandelions while you were running?
Oh yeah, I seen many of them. Lots of them ended up in my shoes. And that terrain out there is way longer than it actually looks. And so I had to come back and enjoy some H302s with this beautiful peach that we're enjoying right now. Very soothing.
And so we see you ran 1 minute and 30 seconds to get there, and then it was almost full 2 minutes back.
So listen, I took off out the gate way too quick. I underestimated the length of the race. You know what I'm saying? It's a marathon, and I took off sprinting. So that's what slowed me down. I got halfway down there, and I looked up like, woo, I was cooking, and then it started to hit me. Woo!
Well, congratulations, you did a great job, and we're very proud of you.
Thank you, and so I challenge someone else to take the journey and just challenge themselves to go further than they think they can go and enjoy fruits always.